How to move taskbar to top, left, or right in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Right click on an empty space on your taskbar, and then you're going to see taskbar settings. Now what you want to do is go ahead and find taskbar behaviors, which is right here. Now what we're going to do is the first option that you're going to see is taskbar alignment. And to do this, you're going to have two options. You're going to have center and left. Now, if you want to move the entire taskbar to the top edge, then what we're going to have to do is go to our registry editor. So press Windows key and R and type in regedit like so. Press yes when the prompt comes up. And then you want to go over to the following pathway. So I'm going to delete this one. And then you can pause the video and type in this pathway. Go ahead and press enter. Now what you want to do is double click the settings binary value. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then in row 0008, which is the second row, locate the fifth column value, which is 03 by default, and change it to 01, and then you'll be good to go.